Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, kung anong ating makita, yun ang ating babasahin. No sugar coating. Okay, so, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po, tayo pwedeng mag-message. Kung hindi nyo mahanap yung kanika nilang mga FB pages, just message me. Okay? And yeah, don't forget rin, diba, na mag-follow, mag-subscribe, and mag-like doon sa ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Love Letter and Rescue Animals. So, yeah. Asahan ko kayo doon. Kita-kita tayo doon, diba? And again, pagdating sa ating mga items, yeah. Protection from evil eye. Yeah, we do have protection. Okay, so ito yung ring. This is adjustable po, ha. Okay, ring. Ano pa ba? Yung ating dalawang bracelet, yeah. So, yan. Oo, yung isa is adjustable, yung isa is garterized. Yung adjustable, available in red string. Ito yung merong initial. Okay? So, unisex. Okay, unisex sila. And yung ating necklace. So, yung necklace natin is ganyan. Okay, meron siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, and yung ating love bracelet. So, kahit anong connection. Okay, if you're single, yes, pwede sa'yo ito. Situationship, yes, pwede sa'yo. Okay, lahat. Okay, lahat. Anything about connection, pwede sa'yo ito. Okay? And, yung ating granter. So, si granter, yung tagapagbigay ng mga minamanifest. Okay? Kung deserve mo na yung minamanifest mo, siya na yung babatak doon. Okay? Siya na yung magbibigay. Siya na yung, yeah, no delays. Okay? Hindi ka para bigyan pa ng delay ni granter. And syempre, gamitan nyo rin, ipagsabay nyo yung evil eye. Kung meron kang evil eye na available, okay, gamitin nyo rin yun para napoproteksyonan yung inyong mga minamanifest. Okay po, ganun po, ha. Oo, so wala pa man, yung iba sa inyo durog na. Wala pa man sa inyo, nadudurog na ng ibang tao. Kaka-evil eye sa inyo. Yes, hindi natin alam na tayo ini-evil eye. Okay, ganun po yun, ha. So, si granter, yan, tagapagbigay, tagapag-grant. Okay, ng mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises. Now, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. Okay, this is unisex, and by the way, this is made to order. Front and back. Okay, so para siyang may glass. This is nice sa personal actually. And yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cutting, oops, meron ako angel number for you, 333. So, sa mga nakikinig, oo. So, tingnan ninyo, ano pa ba ang meron pagdating sa angel number 333. Okay, angel number mo yung ngayong araw. Okay, so, cord cutting, this is, sabihin nating, pagtatanggal, pagkakat ng mga hindi na magandang energy na kapit pa sa'yo, kaya ikaw ay nahihirapan, umusad in general. Okay? So, kung may iba pang tanong, again, ulit-ulit tayo dyan. Message po, ha, sa FB page ko. Okay? May nakikita pa rin kasi ako, papaano po, saan ko po kayo mag-message? Sa FB page ko po, ha, na Fias Tarot. Paki-check ang followers, nasa 60 plus na tayo, 60k. Okay? Mamaya yung mga makatransact ninyo, yung followers is nasa 100. Siya, lagot kayo. Okay? 60 plus. 60 plus K. Okay? Pero, yeah, hanggang sa tumatagal itong video, pataas din tayo ng pataas. Okay? Yeah, thank you sa mga nagsusupport and mga nagpa-follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you all. Love you. Oo, so, air signs. Let's see what's for you. What's for you? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for our air signs? Okay, the Two of Chalices inversed. The Hermit. Somebody is up at night, like losing sleep. They can't help themselves, like thinking of you. Yeah. Ang daming nadidelay sa buhay ng taong to, kung sino man to. Para silang nawawala. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Chalices. This is a past person's energy, air sign. Could be a water sign or a Virgo. Page of Swords. They're looking for you. They are looking for you. They want to talk. Some of them, maybe they want closure or what. Yeah, they're still hanging. Okay. Feeling, ang tawag dito, talagang stuck. Yeah. So, sinasabi lang dito na may ganyan sa energy mo. So, kapag may ganyan, nakakakapit yan sa'yo. Kaya ito yung mga sinasabi ko na pwedeng nakakapagpabagal sa energy, nakakapagpabagal sa mga ginagawa mo. Parang nakaka-drain. Ito yun, mga ganyang energy. So, ito yun. Dito napasok yung ating cord cutting. Okay? Yeah. Anyway. Let's see. What else? Nine of Swords in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles. Nothing to worry pagdating sa pera. Sinasabi dito, some of you have to let go. You have to surrender. Kung ano man ang meron. Kasi, I don't know, some of you, kung ikaw itong stress na stress, mahirap manipulahin ang energy, mahirap manipulahin ang frequency when it comes to kung ano man to. Yun nga lang, doon din natin nakukuha yung energy kung ano man ang napasok sa atin. Kung anong binabato nating frequency, yun din ang babalik. Okay? 9, 9, 9. Angel number 999 for you, air signs. Okay? So, tingnan nyo sa Google. Nothing to worry. Hindi mo dapat daw istressin to. Yeah, the Ten of Wands, you have to drop this. You have to surrender. Something good will happen. The Tower. Something good will happen. Kung kakayanin mo na hindi masyadong mag-isip dito. Okay? Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Kanya-kanya. I don't know if this is your stress in general. Okay? Somebody needs your support. Needing your support. What else? Death. Changes. Excuse me. So, death. That is ending. Eight of Chalices. Basagin mo ang routine mo, air sign. Basagin mo. Okay? Kailangan mong makawala sa routine mo. Kailangan may mabago. Yeah, the world in reverse. Kailangan may mabago dito. What's with this? Your past person still attached sa'yo. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Kailangan ng time freeze. Kailangan ditong parang may baguhin. I-end, i-lessen. The Sun Universe. Yeah, nakaka-drain to eh. Yeah, yung energy. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, una pa lang, may kailangan kang baguhin sa routine mo. Alam mo yun, everyday, may ginagawa ka, tas paulit-ulit. Nakaka-drain, di ba? Sino nakaramdam nun? Taas ang kamay. Say, ako po, ma'am. Ako po. Kailangan mo may baguhin sa routine mo. Kailangan po, kung ayaw nyong madrain. Mentally, emotionally, physically, in general. May babaguhin dapat tayo. Okay? Yeah, Days of Pentacles. Dapat may bago. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Stop procrastinating. Stop delaying things. If ever. If you need to try new hobbies, do it. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. What's for our fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Six of Swords. Wow. Money, yes. Going up. I'm seeing here transactions na mako-closed or sabihin nating magiging okay. A good transaction. Handshake. May nakikita akong ganon. Closed deal. May makakapagbayad. Okay? Your money. Some of you, sa paganda yung pera. Claim it. Kung ano man yung mga paraan mo para magkapera. Okay? Sa paganda. Sana maganda ha, ginagawa nyo. Okay? Ano tong Six of Swords? Justice Universe. Sana sa paganda. Okay? Sana sa maganda, I mean. Sana maganda ang ginagawa pagdating sa pamera. Anyway, yung iba kasi sa inyo hindi naging stable or hindi naging okay nung mga nakaraan, yung pamamera. May struggles. Pero sabihin nating, okay, babalik na ulit sa maganda. Okay? Nawala lang siguro sa ruta nung nakaraan. Yeah. So what else? Fire signs. I'm seeing here energy about annulment, divorce, okay, signing of papers. What else? Empress. What's with that? Empress. Six of Wands. A lot of attraction. Head turner, some of you. May mga makakapansin sa'yo. Physically, may pagbabago whatsoever. Okay? Meron kang i-gain. At sasabihin ko na parang mapapansin yun ng ibang tao. Some of you, this is like patungkol sa stability mo, or may nakakuha ko ditong energy na may aakyat sa stage. Yeah, merong bibigyan ng certificate, merong awardan dito. Anak mo. Yeah. Meron dito naghahanda na. Yes. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Some of you, somebody's attracted. Pagdating sa'yo, may na-attract. Okay? Page of Swords. Somebody. pwedeng meron ding nakakaramdam ng regrets dito kasi they see you as somebody na pwedeng nagpo-progress or nag-improve. They're like feeling upset. Andun yung regrets. Yeah, the Three of Chalices. Sabihin natin, pwedeng kaibigan mo, an ex, feeling jealous. Yung mga ganong bagay. Okay? Seven of Swords. Hindi maiwasan magsabi yung mga tao ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Protect your energy. Yeah, the Four of Wands Universe. Protect your energy. Some of you, ikaw itong single parent. Okay? And they're like talking behind you, making rumors, mga ganyan. So, what else? May mga maninira pa. May nakikita akong ganyan, ha? So, Eight of Chalices. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng energy dito, fire signs. Thank you naman. Oo. At ganito ang ating nababasa. No? Eight of Chalices. And the Two of Pentacles. Some of you may offer na parating pagdating sa travel. Or sabihin nating a work. Okay? May kailangang pag-alis. I don't know if this is ibang bansa. Okay? I don't know. Parang hindi ko alam kung pipili ka or magdadalawang isip ka pa na tanggapin yung work. Yeah, the Fool. Pwedeng bago sa'yo to. Hindi mo alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Something like that. This is something new. It's like a risk. Pwedeng iba sa inyo in general. Meron lang ikaw pupuntahan at parang hindi ka desidido. Okay? Hindi ka desidido. I don't know if you'll travel mag-isa and hindi ka sanay mag-travel mag-isa. Parang ganun. So, parang ganyan. Unsure. Yeah, the World. See? This is talking about travel, the world. Pwedeng ibang bansa yung iba sa inyo. Ibang bansa. Ha? Pwedeng patungkol sa trabaho. A decision. Kailangan mo mag-decide dito. Hindi naman siguro kailangan madaliin. Pero, pag-iisipan. Okay? So, there. Yeah. So, next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. May narinig ako for you, water sign. This is for the next 48. The next 48 hours. Okay? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles. Are you focusing on your career, work, job, pamimera in general? Stability. The Three of Wands. Plans. Okay, planning. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng nakikita ko na pwedeng magfo-focus lang ng magfo-focus sa pamimera. Parang ganyan. Stability. Yeah, Justice in reverse. Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. This is money. Be careful. You have Justice in reverse here. What's with this? The Moon. Okay. Be careful who you trust. Be careful. Some of you, kung may mga plano ka pa lang, itago mo muna. Huwag mo masyadong ipangalandakan kung kani-kanino. Okay? Kung wala pa man, hindi pa na-execute. Oo. Kasi may chance na pwedeng maggulo ka pa ng mga tao na pagsasabihan mo. Okay, yeah, the Tower. Ten of Swords. Baka panghinaan ka pa ng loob kung sakali, pag ganyan. Sa mas maganda, itago mo. Magplano ka mag-isa. Parang ganyan. Okay? Kasi may nananabutahe sa'yo. Pwedeng may mananabutahe. Okay? So, kasi ikaw itong marunong eh. Marunong ka sa pera. Iba sa inyo. Kita naman natin kanina si Ten of Pentacles. Ha? Avoid mo yung mga taong parang nakakasira. Ha? Okay. So, what else? Queen of Swords in reversed. What's with that? Judgment. Don't be scared na ma-judge. Okay? Some of us, kapag na-judge tayo, minsan dun tayo nakakaisip ng mas maganda eh, na pwedeng gawin to improve. Oo. Minsan, real talk yun. Minsan, masakit ma-real talk. Pero, minsan, yun din yung parang nagiging way para makita natin kung anong mga kailangan pa nating i-improve. Okay? Pero hindi naman sa lahat. No, may mga ano lang talaga eh, bashers. No, alam mo naman kung anong meron sa'yo. Okay, alam mo naman kung anong kulang. Yeah. Okay? Ano tong Queen of Swords in reversed? Two of Chalices. An open door. The Judgment. An open door. Pagdating sa pakikipag-ayos. The King of Swords. So, we have here a pair. So, may chance na may maayos ditong connection. Or I think, parang there's this person na destined na talagang makita mo, makasama mo, makakonect mo. Okay? This is like a strong connection. May chance na makikita mo or makakonect mo yung somebody na pwedeng sabihin natin ka-same energy mo. Okay? Yung parang ang hirap kapag wala siya. Something like that. Ang dami kang matututunan sa connection na yun, if ever. Okay, na makikita mo. Pero yeah, some of you, may chance. What else for you, water signs? Magician in reversed. What's with that? Be careful. Yeah, some of you na evil eye. Yeah, the devil. See? Some of you, may mga nagbabato ng evil eye. Binabatuhan ng evil eye, please. Bago ko man to sabihin. Bago ko man to mabunot, nasabi ko na. May mga nagbabato ng evil eye sa inyo. Be careful. Yeah, you have to protect your energies. May mga naiinggit sa paligid. May mga nananabutahe sa inyo. So, mas maganda, unang-una nga, sabi ko dito, kung may mga plano kayo, mas magandang sarilinin nyo na lang muna at isikreto. Okay? Yeah, ang sarap kasing i-share, di ba? Kaso nga lang hindi masarap kapag nasabotahe tayo. Di po ba? Yes, nakaka-excite kasi eh. Yeah. Pero hindi nakaka-excite na hindi matuloy yung mga gusto natin. No? Oo, kung sa tingin mo naman yung pag-sharean mo is wala lang din naman, kung sino lang din. Wag na. Hanggat kaya. Di po ba? Be careful, ha? The Seven of Pentacles. Naghihintay itong mga to eh. Yeah, yung mga yan, they're stalking you, keeping tabs on you, mga ganyang bagay. Gusto na may makikitang mali. Ayun ang hinihintay nila, ayun lang may mangyayari sa yung maganda. Okay? Laging updated yung mga yan sa'yo. So, be careful. Protect your energies. Okay. Earth signs. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, what's for you? What's for Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Earth signs. The world in reversed. Agad. What's that? The lovers in reversed. May energy coming from the past na talagang nagre-resurface ngayon, mga earth signs. Ha? Yeah, the Ace of Swords is here. I don't know if you have to cut it off or pag-isipan mabuti kung anong meron. There's this challenge. I think this is like a challenge for you. Universe is challenging you to improve pa rin, siguro. That is why yung iba sa inyo parang binabatuhan muli ng kung ano man galing sa past. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Your past person is still attached, still thinking of you, they still like you, love you, want you. Feeling nila binetray mo sila or parang talagang iniwan mo na sila totally, wagas-wagas. Parang ganon. Marami silang gustong malaman, marami silang gustong makita. Okay? Kung makikita nyo kanina, 'di ba, may Ace of Swords. Hawak nyo yung Ace of Swords. 'Di ba? I think merong magandang dahilan kung bakit nangyayari yung mga bagay-bagay na to. For you to learn, for you to heal. Pero yun nga lang, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo magfo-focus. Hindi natin alam kung para saan to, para saan ba yan, bakit nangyayari to. Yeah, there's confusion. Siyempre, kaya nga po challenge. Okay? So, what else for earth signs? What else for earth signs? Death. Changes, endings. What's with this death? Ten of Chalices. This is not for all. Pero may nakuha kong energy about somebody who passed away already. Sinasabi na you have to let go. Okay? Kailangan mo mag-move forward din. Accept things. This is acceptance kasi. Si Ten of Cups. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Chalices. The bitterness, the sadness, the trauma. Parang ganyan. Okay, I don't know if this is, yeah, specifically, may mga nawalan ng mahal sa buhay. So, may chance na, yeah, you have to let us go. Parang ganyan. Accept things. Parang ganyan ang sinasabi. Pero, some of you, this is, yeah, in general, may mga bagay talaga na parang yun nga, nagre-resurface galing sa past mo. Whether a person man, a situation, the energy coming from the past still affecting you. Okay? Still will affect you. So, kailangan mong ialis to. Kailangan mong i-let go. You're stuck. Earth signs. You're stuck. Hindi, yeah, see the Ten of Wands. You have to let go. You have to surrender this. Mga ganong bagay. Ikaw lang din kasi magkakaroon ng pasakit sa sarili kung hindi. Okay? Your past person is still bitter. Ang daming kailangan ng cord cut dito. Kung meron kayong mga cord cut, yeah, gamitin nyo. Kung alam mo yung cord cutting, then, yeah. Makaka-apekto kasi sa ito eh. Sa lahat-lahat. Hindi lang sa love, hindi lang sa pamumuhay mo, sa pamimera mo, lahat-lahat. Kung pipiliin mong mas stuck sa ganong energy sa past, kailangan daw matuto i-accept kung anong meron sa mga nangyari. Okay? The Five of Swords in reversed, the Two of Chalices in reversed. Yeah, the Empress. This is challenges, earth signs. Universe is giving you challenges in general. Okay? Ano tong Two of Chalices in reversed? Hindi ko alam kung may mga tatanggalin pa sa universe sa buhay mo. Yeah, the Ace of Chalices in reversed. Some of you, mas pinipili mong hindi na lang muna maging open or available sa love. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles, focusing on building, progress, work mo, business mo, parang ganyan. And isolate muna tayo sa salitang love. Parang ganon. Okay? Mas may peace of mind ako. Parang ganon eh. Stop procrastinating. Kung ano mga kailangan yung gawin na. Okay? Some of you, magiging open ka. Or somebody, may gusto mag-open up sa'yo. I don't know kung anong meron. So, sinabi lang dito kung anong meron sa situation ng iba sa inyo na pwedeng makaka-apekto sa pamemera ng iba. Sa pamemera nyo. Okay? So, kung hindi maganda ang pamemera ninyo ngayon, pwedeng naapektuhan ka ng energy sa past. Yes. Okay? So, yeah. Wala tayong nakuha ngayong maganda. Anyway. So, gawin yung gabay. Kung hindi maganda, hindi naman tayo palaging positive. Kailangan ng balance eh. Okay? Again, the Ace of Swords. Some of you undecided or confused sa nangyayari sa ngayon. Again, diba? So, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.